I guess what we're gonna do today is we're gonna take the chains off the tractor, which is a sign of spring, of course. And then we're gonna mess around with the backhoe also. We'll probably cultivate the garden with the backhoe and just get used to using the backhoe. That's the driest place we got right now. We won't do too much destruction, especially in the garden itself. Obviously, it's gonna be a garden. Be nice having these chains off. It's nice when you need them, but it's nice taking them off too. Hooks over here. They're right here all full of dirt. And we'll do the same to the other side. Yeah, so all we're gonna do is use the backhoe and kind of rototill the garden. Really, we're just gonna be taking most of the rocks out. The rototiller has a tough time over here. The soil really isn't that good, but we've been adding to it each year, and it's gonna get better and better. But today, just to keep busy, we're gonna grab some rocks out of here. But at the same time, we'll get used to using the backhoe because we're rookies at it. So, be like a win-win. Get some rocks out and learn how to use the backhoe at the same time. buried. Somebody buried. It gets too cold around here. There's no termites, so I guess that explains why it's still intact pretty good. You would think it would rot away or get eaten up. The old man's gonna take his turn now. Let's see some of the rocks we get out of here. He's gonna get used to it. We use some nice rocks. We'll try to use them. Maybe a walkway, break them up. I'm not really sure. I'm just gonna make a rock pile, and when the time comes, if I can figure something out to do with them, I'll use them. So it's cool because we're getting them out of the garden too. So, and the way the grocery store prices skyrocketed, we're gonna definitely use a garden this year for sure. Save as much money as we can. Why not? So the dirt looks pretty good over here. Actually, I thought there's gonna be way more rocks. I mean, we got some out, but not as much as I thought. We did use this garden for a few years, so we have been picking the rocks out of it. You know, over the past few years. Still gotta get used to the controls. Section to go over there, basically where the tractor is, and then probably end of May we'll rototill it and we can plant it. Well, that about wraps it up for today's video. We get the garden all prepped. Just gonna rototill it in a few weeks and get some stumps out, and we gotta just wait for the damn mud to go away. Then we can do some real work. Some of this dilly-dallying. But once the mud's gone, I guess our next step is to... Oh, look at my face. There's some ash. I was making a fire. Got ash all over my hands, my face, everything. But maybe I'll go play some football after this. Something like that. But yeah, we're gonna level our slab area. Make sure it's nice and flat. And we get to start on... putting our forms up and all that stuff, so that's gonna be coming up in a future video not too far from now. But make sure you watch next week's video. We got a surprise for you. Don't forget about it. All right, we'll see you then.